I had a secure job making over $73,000 a year as a helicopter mechanic in the Air Force. And as soon as I learned these 3 things about money, I quit my day job. And in this video, I'm going to reveal to you the 3 important lessons about earning money that unfortunately I didn't learn until I was 38. So it's too bad that they don't teach these lessons in school, because a lot of people are unaware of these 3 important lessons that could totally change the way you view earning money starting today. Now, before we get into the 3 things, let me first ask you a question. When did you first hear of the concept of studying hard in school so you can get a good job working 9 to 5, Monday to Friday, 40 hours a week, and just a few short weeks vacation for the next 40 years or so? Then at 65, you can retire on a small government pension that isn't enough to pay the bills, and you try your best to enjoy the remaining years you have left. Not a really great ending. Now let me ask you a question. When did you first learn about the 40-hour work week? Was it from your parents? Was it in school? Did you know that the 8-hour workday and the 40-hour work week started way back in 1938? So essentially, the 8-hour workday is an 80-year-old business model. It's almost like the difference between mailing a letter today versus sending a quick email or a text. There's opportunities available to you today that didn't exist when the 8-hour workday was first created. So in this video, I'm going to ask you to rethink some of the lessons you've been taught over the years, and maybe even some of the ones that you believed and thought were your only options. So before we get into the 3 things I learned about money that changed everything and led me to quit my day job, which most people would have considered a secure job with a steady paycheck, would never dream of quitting, I want to tell you about a time back in 2002 when I was deployed overseas with the military for 4.5 months. Now, not only was I deployed overseas for 4.5 months away from my family, but I was on board a ship. So I was essentially working 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for months on end without any time off and very little extra pay because I was being paid a yearly salary by the military. Now, this situation was worse than getting paid $5 an hour, and I wasn't able to go home after work either. So maybe it took this type of extreme hardship and pain for me to start thinking of earning money differently. It was then I knew that I had to find a better way to start earning money. Now, maybe you're at that point right now as well. Now, before we go any further, let's look at some of the flaws of working for an hourly wage or yearly salary. The biggest one being trading your time for a certain dollar amount, whether that be $15 an hour or $30 an hour. Essentially, you're trading your time in exchange for money, and the main problem with that is you only have so many hours in a day to earn that money. So if you want to make more money, you either have to work more than 40 hours a week, or you have to get more education or training so that you can get paid more per hour. So maybe you secure a better paying job, but then you've got school loans to pay off, and that may take years to pay back. So that's not really a better plan either. And you're still only able to work maybe 60 to 80 hours per week tops. So if you think about it, if you want to get rich, this is a very difficult way to go about it. You'll end up burnt out, and you'll miss out on opportunities to spend time doing the things you'd rather be doing. And you'll miss out on the chance to spend time with the people you care about spending time with. And sometimes it's not until you're older that you realize that you can't get that time back. Which brings me to the first lesson I learned. Trading your time for money is not going to make you rich, and most likely it will lead to unhappiness. Not that having more money will necessarily make everyone more happy, but it will give you the freedom to do what you want, when you want, with your time. Now, the feeling of having the freedom to do what you want, when you want, is an awesome thing, and the happiest day of my life was when I quit my job. And it's definitely better than being stuck at work 8 hours a day, doing something that you don't enjoy doing. Now, you may be thinking, okay, if I'm not working for someone else, then I have to start my own business. But that's when I learned lesson number 2. You don't want to choose just any business model, because some of them require you to work more than 40 hours a week. And although you may make more money with your own business than working for someone else, you're essentially still working a job, and you're still trading your time for money. Look at owning a restaurant, for example. You may own your own business, but you're looking at long hours, renting space, and having employees. Plus, with today's current situation, lots of restaurants were forced to close their doors and went out of business. So you can see choosing the wrong business model may make you more money, but it won't necessarily give you time freedom. So just having your own business is not necessarily the right answer. You have to choose what you do wisely. That's when I learned about lesson 3, which is about creating passive income versus the traditional method of creating active income. So let me briefly explain the difference to you. Active income is trading your time for money, and passive income is doing a task once and then getting paid for it again and again into the future. Now let me give you some examples of passive income streams, and the best part about the different income streams that I'll reveal to you in this video is that you can have several different income streams earning money for you 24/7 while you're asleep or doing something else like being on vacation. Now the goal is to build these different passive income streams one at a time over time, with the ultimate goal being total time freedom to enjoy your life and spend the best hours of your day doing what you really would like to be doing. Now maybe the 8-hour workday made sense over 80 years ago, but a lot has changed over the last 80 years. 80 years ago, we didn't have computers or the internet or smartphones in our pockets. So when it comes to creating passive income in 2022 and beyond, you have to think about the best ways for you to build up multiple streams of passive income that make sense today so that you can get paid 24/7, 7 days a week for work that you do one time. So in this part of the video, I'm going to reveal to you some of the different passive income streams you can start creating today, and some of these income streams have been very successful for me. So let's start with passive income stream number 1, and that's a YouTube channel. After 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, you can begin receiving ad revenue from YouTube, which means it'll take a little time before you get paid for the videos you create, but over time you'll continue to get paid over and over again for videos that you created once years ago. So here's an example from one of my YouTube channels of a video I created once that continues to get views and bring in passive income for me years later. Now, passive income stream number 2, affiliate marketing. You can promote other people's products and services in exchange for a commission. The concept's been around for quite some time, and I've been doing affiliate marketing since 2007. And now it's a $12 billion market globally, and it can be very profitable, and it's one of the best ways to get started creating passive income for yourself. I have a YouTube playlist all about how to get started with affiliate marketing, and you can watch that affiliate marketing playlist right here. I'll also put a link in the description box below, and you can watch it at the end of this video. Now, passive income stream 3, creating your own digital ebook. You'd be surprised at how easy it is to write and self-publish your own ebook. You create it once, and you can sell digital copies of your ebook for years. My first ebook I sold for $47, and I sold over 3,000 copies in the first month alone. Don't underestimate how profitable digital ebooks can be. Now, passive income stream number 4, video training courses. You can also create and sell your own video training courses. I've created video training courses in several different niche markets, and the beauty of it is you can charge a premium price for your courses. You can charge anywhere from as low as $7 for a video training course, or up to $2,500 or even more for a video training course, depending on the market you're in. Now, passive income stream 5, monthly membership sites. You can create a monthly membership site where people pay you monthly to have access to your monthly training, plus have access to your previous trainings. You would just upload them to the members area. Now, I've seen membership sites priced from as low as $7 a month up to $9.95 a month, and even more if it's like a high-level group. Now, passive income stream number 7, you can create a virtual agency to do things like edit videos for people or run their Facebook ad campaigns or their Google ads or YouTube ads. You can outsource the work and even the management agency, which makes it a passive income stream once you have it up and running. Now, passive income stream number 8, mastermind groups. You can create a mastermind group that meets online or in person anywhere from 4 to 12 times a year and charge people monthly or yearly for access to these live meetings. It's not exactly passive. It can be quite profitable for a small amount of time invested. All that's required for you to start any of these new passive income streams is to start to think about things a little differently. All you have to do is ask yourself, how can I do something once and continue to get paid for it? Then you have to search out how other people are doing the same thing. So in this video, I gave you 8 different passive income ideas to think about. All you have to do is pick one passive income stream to start with and focus on getting that set up and automate as much as possible. Then once you have the first income stream up and running, then you can move on to income stream 2 and so on until you have multiple streams of income. If you found these tips helpful, make sure you check out my 6-figure checklist. It's called The Secret to Quitting Your Day Job, and you can find it in the description description box just below this video. Also, if you found this video helpful, hit that like button. It helps this video get more views. And if you're not already a subscriber, I come up with 2 new videos each week telling you different ways that you can make money online. So if that interests you, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell notification so you get updates when my next video goes live. Now, if you have any comments or questions about anything I covered in this video, you can ask them in the comments section below. And before you go, like I said, hit that like button if you found this video helpful. It's great back to here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.